Indian celebrities didn't just attend the Met Gala 2025, they owned it. With every look, they turned fashion into a statement. हर साल न्यूयॉर्क के मेट्रोपॉलिटन म्यूजियम ऑफ आर्ट में होने वाला ये मेट गाला फैशन की दुनिया का सबसे प्रेस्टिजियस इवेंट होता है. This year's theme, Superfine Tailoring Black Style, was a powerful celebration of black excellence and the art of refined tailoring. Celebrities from across the globe showcased looks inspired by culture, creativity and couture. और इस दफा इंडियन रिप्रेजेंटेशन वॉज नॉट जस्ट प्रेजेंट, इट वॉज अनफॉरगेटेबल. कियारा अडवाणी ने एक डिवाइन फ्यूचरिस्टिक डेब्यू किया, वह शाहरुख खान ब्रॉड रॉयल करिश्मा. दिलजीत दोसांझ कैरिड हिज पंजाबी रूट्स विद प्राइड. प्रियंका, ईशा, मोना पटेल सबने अपने प्रेजेंस से रेड कार्पेट को एक ग्लोबल स्टेटमेंट बना दिया. इस वीडियो में हम डिकोड करेंगे 8 इंडियन फैशन मोमेंट्स फ्रॉम मेट गाला 2025. Who wore what, which designer envisioned it, and how these looks became part of fashion history. Kiara Advani made a stunning debut at the Met Gala 2025, and she didn't just arrive in style, she arrived with soul. Glowing with a baby bump, Kiara chose a custom creation by Gaurav Gupta, titled Brave Hearts, a tribute to transformation, courage, and motherhood. The look was deeply symbolic. The sculpted golden breastplate corset, Gaurav's signature, formed a large heart connected to a smaller heart over her baby bump. Ghugrus dangled between them, representing the umbilical cord. A poetic detail that spoke volumes. Emotional yet bold. A dramatic white satin shirt trailed behind her like a cape. A nod to the late Andrew Leon Talley, the Met Gala icon known as the dandy among dandies. It was Gupta's way of weaving heritage, homage, and a theme, superfine tailoring black style, into one visual story. Now the real fashion debate, the breastplate. We have seen it recently on Alia Bhatt and Sonam Kapoor. So was repeating it at the Met a clever choice or a bit of risk? Style-wise, it's controversial. Emotionally, it lands. She finished the look with bold gold ear cuffs and rings from Outhouse Jewelry and Rap Game India, plus a 17-carat pear-shaped diamond piece and 5-carat heart-shaped earrings by Kantilal Chotalal. Her soft waves, pinned back and smoky eyes balance the drama of the outfit with just the right amount of elegance. हाँ, कुछ लोग कह रहे थे कि आउटफिट में थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, बट कियारा's presence, her glow and the meaning behind the look, that turned it into a moment. आप बताओ, statement of the night or a little too much? Bollywood's King Khan Shahrukh Khan brought true royal presence to the Met Gala 2025. Dressed in a custom-made Sabyasachi ensemble, he wore a flow-length coat crafted from black Tasmanian superfine wool, complete with hand canvas detailing and Japanese horn buttons. The sharp peak collar and wide lapels gave the silhouette a bold, sculptural edge. Underneath, he layered a black crepe de chine silk shirt, slightly open at the chest, adding that effortless SRK charm. Paired with tailored wool trousers and a pleated satin kamarband at the waist, the look was both structured and sensual. But the real scene stealer, a custom 18-carat gold cane with Bengal tiger head, encrusted with precious stones, fierce, regal, and entirely on brand for Shahrukh. He also wore custom dandy stacks jewelry by Sabyasachi, handcrafted in 18-carat gold and adorned with sapphires, tourmaline, old mine cut, and brilliant cut diamonds. The stack added a subtle yet opulent sparkle to his all-black ensemble. Black is his signature, and once again he owned it. Sabyasachi blended traditional Indian elegance with modern dandyism, capturing SRK's cinematic legacy and global charisma in a single, unforgettable look. Priyanka Chopra Jonas made her 5th Met Gala appearance in 2025, और इस बार भी she came dressed to own the night. For a theme as powerful as superfine tailoring black style with a dress code tailored for you, Priyanka teamed up with Balmain's Olivier Rousteing to deliver a look that was sharp, stunning, and unapologetically glamorous. She wore a custom white halter neck gown speckled with black polka dots, perfectly cinched at the waist with a slim belt and finished with a clean row of black buttons. The look was structured yet feminine, classic but with a bold twist. ये menswear tailoring और red carpet glamour का perfect fusion था. Layered over it was a matching polka dot blazer, tailored with a snatched waist and a long sweeping hem, adding elegance and edge. And let's not forget the wide brimmed hat, dramatic, retro, and totally Priyanka. But the regal jaw dropper, the Mulgari Magnus emerald necklace featuring a massive 241-carat faceted emerald, the largest ever set by Bulgari, surrounded by a galaxy of diamonds. ये नेकलेस नहीं, एक मोमेंट था. Paired with emerald rings and diamond earrings, her jewelry was just as bold as her look. And just when we thought she was done, she surprised at the after party in a dazzling white mini dress, covered in tiny diamonds and clear crystals. It sparkled from every angle. The sleeveless skirt, subtle shimmer, and a crystal clutch gave her a full-on party-ready vibe. No heavy jewelry, just sleek diamond hoops, killer heels, and that signature PC confidence. रेड कारपेट पे पूरा ड्रामा और आफ्टर पार्टी में पूरा ग्लैम. प्रियंका ने एक नहीं, दो लुक से मेट गाला को लाइट कर दिया. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? पावर सूट एनर्जी और पार्टी स्पार्कल? विच लुक्स विन्स योर वोट? Indian American tech entrepreneur and philanthropist Mona Patel made her second Met Gala appearance in 2025, and this time, like before, all eyes were on her. Because her entrance, not just dramatic, it was next level iconic. Mona walked the Met steps in custom Tom Brown look, holding a robotic dog on a diamond-studded leash. Yes, you heard that right. A robotic dog named Vector, inspired by Tom Brown's signature Hector bag. This wasn't just fashion; it was a full-blown futuristic moment. Her outfit featured a halter neck shirt peeking out from beneath a sharply tailored black suit, which wrapped into a beaded corset-style bodice at the front. It was the perfect blend of structure and sensuality, a complete fashion narrative in one striking look. The back, even more insane, a kinetic spine designed by Lisa Jiang and Timothy Boll, like something straight out of a sci-fi film, pure drama, pure vision. She completed the look with a sculptural hat by Miodrag Gubernic and crystal embellished Rene Caovilla heels. Every element was thoughtful, futuristic, and fearless. Mona didn't just wear fashion, she made a statement that representation, creativity, and individuality have no limits. The fusion of Indian heritage and tech-forward imagination became one of the most unforgettable moments of the night. So tell me, did Mona's robotic dog moment shock you or totally slay? Let's talk in the comments. ईशा अंबानी ने इस साल मेट गाला में रॉयल एंट्री मारी, बट मेक इट फैशन फॉरवर्ड विद द साइट ऑफ हेरिटेज एंड स्पार्कल. Dressed in a custom creation by the brilliant Anamika Khanna, Isha wasn't just serving looks, she was serving legacy. Her outfit, a gorgeous mix of a structured white corset with geometric embroidery, sleek black pants, and a dramatic cape with a hand-woven Banarasi train. Regal? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. The cape was no ordinary cape. It was loaded with Jardozi and bow embroidery, handmade by artisans over 20,000 hours. मतलब इस आउटफिट में सिर्फ थ्रेड नहीं, centuries old Indian craftsmanship की कहानियां भरी हुई थी. Now let's talk jewelry, and trust me, you'll want to sit down for this. Isha wore a vintage solitaire necklace that's a replica of the legendary two-cent necklace, originally inspired by a piece commissioned by the Maharaja of Navanagar. This isn't just any necklace; it features a rare diamond drawn from Cartier's historic design archives, and it's a family heirloom borrowed from her mother Neeta Ambani. The total weight, a jaw-dropping 481.42 carats of diamond. Yes, you heard that right, not a typo. And if that wasn't enough sparkle, Isha also wore a diamond headpiece styled on her hip. Because honestly, why not make couture look like treasure? Forget walking the red carpet, Diljit Dosanjh glided through it like it was stitched for him in silk and history. Diljit Dosanjh made his debut at Met Gala this year. Dressed in a Maharaja-inspired look by Prabal Gurung, he brought royalty and representation to one of the fashion biggest stages. And guess what? He was voted Best Dressed Celebrity by Vogue's global audience, beating Zendaya, Rihanna, and Nicki Minaj. That's major. He wore an ivory sherwani paired with feathered, jewel-encrusted turban and layers of ornate jewelry. But they stand out: a lion-headed gem-studded ceremonial sword, a bold nod to his heritage, replacing the typical dandy cane with full desi power. His cape, a work of art, hand-painted with the map of Punjab and Gurmukhi inscriptions honoring Maharaja Bhupinder Singh, turning tradition into high fashion. Around his wrist and neck were Cartier masterpieces, diamond stacks, a panther watch, emerald-studded bracelets, giving ultimate Maharaja meets high jewelry energy. When Diljit stepped onto those mat steps, everything clicked. Diamonds turned up, culture on display, and not a single detail out of place. This wasn't just a look, it was a legacy moment. Celebrated Indian fashion designer Manish Malhotra made his Met Gala debut in 2025, blending his signature opulence with a theme in refined modern way. He wore a sharply tailored white formal shirt, accented with silver brooches featuring emerald toned stones, a sleek nod to classic glamour. His statement overcoat featured a golden elephant face brooch, a subtle tribute to Indian heritage, perfectly placed. The look was grounded with rugged combat shoes and a sleek waxed hairstyle, adding just the right touch of edge to an otherwise elegant silhouette. Beyond his own look, Manish also designed show-stopping outfits for Coco Jones, Rihanna, and Natasha Poonawalla, making his presence felt both on and off the red carpet. Sabyasachi showed up at this year's Met Gala alongside Shah Rukh Khan. His look was masterclass in vintage elegance with a side of modern swagger. He layered a crisp white shirt under a trench and flowing overcoat, creating a silhouette that said royalty but make it effortless. The high-waisted black trousers pulled the whole thing together, while a bold choker brought major main character energy. Statement rings? Check. Playful but luxe. And that sleek headgear with a brooch? Pure sophistication. The kind that doesn't shout, just owns the room quietly. On Instagram, Sabyasachi described the look as a tribute to black dandyism, connecting colonial era defiance, a la Jamshedji Tata, with Indian heritage and timeless style. Oh, and he's the one behind Shah Rukh Khan's show-stopping look too, blending tailored for you with the spirit of high fashion. That's a wrap on the Indian stars who didn't just show up at Met Gala 2025, they stole the show. From Kiara's fearless fashion moments to SRK's royal swagger, Priyanka's double drama, Mona's sci-fi slay, Isha's heirloom elegance, and Diljit rapping heritage with heat, every look came with a vibe and a vision. Now your turn, which look was the moment for you? Drop your hot takes in the comments. If you're vibing with this fashion recap, smash that like button, share it with your crew, and hit subscribe for more iconic style break and deep dives straight from the celebrity fashion frontlines. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.